Okay, so really quick, I wanted to talk about your homework. You do get to use a calculator on your homework just like you did on the notes. But it is on the front, you're going to do the same thing that we did in the notes. The only difference is that this map is larger, which means your scale is larger and the distance between the cities are larger as well. But I want to make sure that you have the correct measurements, because even if you get really close, you're not wrong with the measurements. I just want to make sure we all have the same ones. So the first thing you need to do is measure this scale in centimeters, and you should get 4. So your ratio for your homework is 600 miles is 4 centimeters. Now, we're going to go through just like we did on the notes, and you are going to first measure the distances yourself, and then I will tell you what I got. So on this first one, you are going from San Francisco, California to Austin, Texas. So it's the distance between these two cities. Because you've already had practice measuring on the notes, I'm going to give you 10 seconds instead of 20, and then I'll tell you what I got. Okay, on number 1, I got 9.4 centimeters. So if you got really close to that, like 9.3 or 9.5, you're not wrong. But I just want to make sure you use the same numbers as me so that you don't get, your answers won't be different than mine. Okay, the next one, San Francisco, California to Seattle, Washington. So you're going from here to here. Okay, 10 seconds, go ahead. Okay. So when I measured those two cities, I got 4.5. If you did not get 4.5, go ahead and erase what you got and write what I got. One more, we are going from Seattle, Washington to Chicago, Illinois. So you are starting at the top corner and going right there to Chicago. 10 seconds, go ahead. When I measured these two cities, I got exactly 11 centimeters. Okay, so those are the numbers that you're going to be using. This is your homework. The front is just finding out how many miles are between the cities. And on the back, there are 4 scale models. So 4 and 5 are map problems like what we've been doing. Number 6 is a scale model. And number 7 is like a scale drawing problem. Okay, that's your homework.